Gear up, car lovers, and get ready for a high-energy countdown designed to help you reclaim space in your garage. If you've been chasing smarter organization for your workshop, you've come to the right place as we dive into the best garage storage shelves. Today, I'm going to be going over the best garage storage shelves that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 3-shelf wire rack. This versatile unit is designed to bring order to any garage or utility space without breaking the bank, and it does so with a clean, practical set of features that make it a go-to starter option for storage on a budget that still wants performance. Frame uses sturdy, heavy-gauge steel that's powder-coated for corrosion resistance and a long life under tough garage conditions. The shelves themselves are wire grids with a tight mesh pattern that keeps small items from tipping while allowing dirt and moisture to pass through, which is a small but meaningful detail when you're stacking cans, tools, or bins in a space that isn't climate controlled. Each shelf is adjustable in 1-inch increments, giving you the flexibility to accommodate tall paint cans, stacked plastic bins, or taller garden tools without sacrificing stability. The overall footprint is compact for a 3-shelf unit, yet tall enough to provide a surprising amount of vertical storage. And the design makes it easy to slide in and out of tight corners or even next to a workstation when you need to keep a workbench free. Capacity is a practical balance for most home garage tasks, with roughly 150 pounds per shelf in typical use cases, when evenly loaded and not jittering across uneven floors, translating to about 450 pounds total for the entire unit. While the rack is not the heaviest duty option on the market, it shines in ease of assembly and quick deployment. Many people can have this assembled in 15 to 20 minutes with no specialized tools, setting it up behind a car, in a pantry, or inside a shed where space is at a premium. The optional leveling feet add stability on slightly uneven concrete, and the simple, clean lines help the rack disappear into most decor schemes without looking like a shop fixture. One practical tip is to stagger shelf contents so the vertical span isn't locked into one uniform height, which reduces wobble and makes it easy to fit taller items as you build your storage system over time. If you ever decide to expand, this shelf series is easy to connect alongside other wire racks from the same line, creating longer rows or a wider modular wall of storage. The Amazon Basics 3-shelf wire rack emphasizes value, straightforward setup, and a robust, everyday performance that earns it a place in many people's garages, laundry rooms, or hobby spaces. Paired to the durability metal shelving unit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this rack leans into accessibility and quick setup, offering a lighter footprint and modular expansion potential, but trades some rigidity and per-shelf mass for that convenience, making it ideal for lighter, more frequently rearranged storage tasks. At number 4, we have the durability metal shelving unit. This is the heavyweight option in our lineup, engineered for people who want a long-term storage workhorse that stands up to heavy use in garages, workshops, and utility spaces without sacrificing stability. Frame is built from solid steel with a durable powder-coated finish that resists chips, scratches, and corrosion from damp spaces or chemical spills. Each shelf sits on durable supports that lock into a solid frame, and the height of every shelf can be adjusted in small increments to fine-tune your layout as your storage needs shift. Capacity-wise, you can count on this unit handling roughly 350 pounds per shelf under even loading if you spread weight evenly, which translates to over 1,000 pounds of total capacity across multiple shelves in a typical configuration. This makes it an excellent choice for heavier tools, power tools, compressors, and bins of hardware that would stress lighter racks. Assembly is straightforward but deliberate. The system uses boltless connections and pin-lock corners that snap into place with minimal effort, and the shelves themselves provide a good amount of surface area for spreading items out to reduce point load stress. The size is substantial, taller than your average cabinet, but with a footprint designed to sit against a wall long-term rather than freestanding in tighter spaces. So you'll want to measure before committing to a full garage setup. A feature many users value is the stability under load. The reinforced corners and cross-bracing resist racking and sway when you bump the unit while moving items around. The anti-slip feet help keep it steady on concrete or epoxy floors. Maintenance is simple as well. Wipe down the steel surface to avoid dust accumulation and check the shelf pins occasionally to ensure they sit firmly in their holes. In practice, this shelf system shines when you're organizing heavy equipment or bulk storage, and it does so with a calm, purposeful presence that doesn't feel like a temporary solution. Paired to the Sakyugi Garage shelving unit, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Duralolly leans more toward fixed mass and load tolerance, offering higher per-shelf ratings and a more solid overall structure, while the Sakyugi option offers modularity and quick adaptation to changing space needs. At number 3, we have the Sakyugi Garage shelving unit. This option sits in the middle ground between light-duty, quick setup racks and the more massive workshop-grade systems, making it a versatile choice for homeowners and hobbyists who want to tailor a garage layout over time without committing to one configuration forever. The design emphasizes modularity. Shelves can be added, removed, or rearranged with relative ease, so you can convert a single, tall column into a wide, low-profile rack as your space evolves. Frame uses robust steel tubing with a corrosion-resistant finish, while the shelves themselves use a combination of solid panels and wire supports that aim to blend strength and accessibility. Typical load capacity is generous for a mid-range unit, with each shelf supporting roughly 250 to 400 pounds, depending on how it's anchored and how evenly weight is distributed. The most common garage items, labeled totes, power tool cases, garden implements, and spare hardware. This setup handles daily use without flinching. Assembly is designed to be user-friendly, often requiring only basic hand tools or, in some models, a simple Allen key. Modular design means you can adjust the total height and shelf count to match your actual inventory, saving you from over or underbuilding your storage. Another appealing aspect is its space efficiency. This unit fits well along a garage wall, and its open design keeps air circulating around stored items, which helps if you're dealing with dampness or seasonal moisture. The Sakugi shelving unit also provides a reasonable price-to-performance ratio, making it easier to outfit a garage incrementally rather than paying for a full, fixed system up front. In practice, it's a practical stepping stone toward a more ambitious garage organization plan, allowing you to micro-optimize layouts as your collection of tools grows. Compared to the IIBI 2,020 pounds shelving, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Sakugi offers more adaptability and a simpler, tool-like construction at a lower baseline capacity, while IIBI leans into higher total weight, more levels, and a stouter, bolt-in feel. At number 2, we have the IIBI 2,020 pounds shelving. This is the behemoth of this 5-pack, designed for serious, high-load storage where safety and reliability under heavy weight are non-negotiable. The name itself tells you what it's capable of. Total rated capacity of 20 pounds across all shelves when weight is distributed evenly, with typical per-shelf ratings that push well beyond standard hobbyist racks. Construction uses heavy-gauge steel with a thick, corrosion-resistant finish that stands up to real workshop environments, including damp basements, backyards with seasonal moisture, or a garage that sees a mix of tools, parts, and boxes. Assembly is straightforward, but you'll likely want a second pair of hands for hardware alignment and vertical balancing, since the frame is sizable and the parts are heavier than those of lighter racks. Shelves are adjustable, and the vertical rails provide precise positioning, so you can tailor the spacing to accommodate tall drums, large tool cases, or stacked bins without sacrificing stability. Leveling feet are commonly included to address minor floor irregularities, while cross-bracing and lock-in shelves reduce lateral movement during heavy loads. A key advantage of this model is its scalability. You can add or remove shelves to match your inventory, and you can even place 2 or more of these units in a line to create a wide, high-capacity storage wall. Price-wise, this unit sits at a higher tier than more budget-conscious options, but it pays for itself in saved floor space, easier inventory management, and the peace of mind that comes with a robust, purpose-built storage system. For garages that see frequent, intense use, from automotive work to bulk shelving for hardware stores or hobby studios, this is a system that earns its keep through measurable performance. Paired to the Binzo storage shelves, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the IIBI model offers substantially higher maximum load and a more industrial-grade feel, whereas Binzo prioritizes flexibility, modularity, and a slightly lighter footprint that's easier to relocate or reconfigure on weekends. At number 1, we have the Binzo storage shelves. This top pick in our garage storage lineup is designed for those who want a robust, flexible, high-capacity solution that can grow with their space without demanding a full workshop install. The frame is built with heavy-duty steel and a powder-coated finish that resists chipping and rust, while the shelves themselves are wide and deep enough to handle bulky items like power tools, compressors, spare parts bins, and sizable totes. Depending on the exact configuration, you'll typically see load ratings around 400 to 600 pounds per shelf when weight is evenly distributed, which translates to an overall system capacity well into the thousands of pounds if you're running a tall 6-shelf setup. One of the standout benefits here is versatility. The units are modular and designed to slide into corners, align with walls, or form long rows that can be appended as your needs expand. Assembly is straightforward, and because the system uses boltless, post and sleeve construction in many models, you can assemble or reassemble without specialized tools or expertise, making it ideal for homeowners who like to experiment with layout and scale. Accessory compatibility is another strength. Many versions support add-on wire baskets, label rails, and extra shelving that can be swapped in as your inventory evolves. Stability is a core focus, so most versions include anti-tip hardware and adjustable feet to adapt to imperfect floors or to anchor the unit more permanently to a wall. Users who want to maximize floor space while keeping heavy items secure, the Binds O shelves offer a compelling blend of capacity, adaptability, and value that lives up to its top-ranked position. Compared to the Amazon Basics 3-shelf wire rack, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Binds O storage shelves deliver a much higher load-bearing profile, deeper shelves, and a longer-term, more stable feel, though they come with a larger footprint and slightly more involved assembly in some configurations.